This is my 2012 Ford Territory all-wheel drive diesel. It's showing a transmission fault error. Basically, it was driving fine, then it started to hang on to gears, wouldn't upshift into gears, and I thought, hang on, something's not right here. Then it had a warning alarm, and the center cluster said transmission fault. So it's intermittent though. It goes away and it comes on. It seems to be driving fine now. I mean, the auto has never been the nicest of all automatic transmissions. It's a ZF based Ford built 6-speed gearbox, but yeah, it's not quite as good as the ZF box that's in the petrol ones. So I don't know what's going on with it. It seems intermittent suggests to me that it's a sensor of sorts. Ford Australia a few years ago had a recall where they switched off the speed sensor, the vehicle output speed sensor or something along those lines for the gearbox. It obviously did that. I took it back and they switched that off. Obviously it's a redundant type of sensor. But yeah, it doesn't seem to be doing anything right now. So there it goes. Lent on it just a tiny bit, and that's what it says. So we will see. To be continued.